Hello Fiona. Yeah, send you a wee WhatsApp. Hi, I'm Chris. So here's our display, 6x6. I'm tall, so it makes it look tiny, but actually it's quite a nice greenhouse. Now the base is down the bottom here. You can see this steel bit here. So in your case, it sounds like you have a course of bricks or a couple of courses of bricks. But this is the simple way to do it. So it's got a lip on the inside. Oh, crawling around. So you see this lip here. So that there, whatever surface you've got, so if you've got a hard surface like with pavers or a concrete base, you can drill through that and attach it to your hard surface. But alternatively, it comes with spikes that aren't on this one because I've got it on the showroom floor. But the corners have this angle iron, and it normally goes down about another foot, and you can concrete that into soil. You see, we chopped it off at the bottom here, but that could be concreted down into soil. So that's how you attach them to whatever surface. So that thing makes it a lot easier than laying a course of bricks. So that's for you to consider. And if you did buy the base and you didn't use it, sure, in the end, just return it back to me and I'll refund you for it if you don't use it. So nobody's ever brought one back. I say that to lots of people, but no, nobody's ever brought one back, so it must be, well, it is easier to use it. Even if you still put a course of bricks and then you bolted that steel base onto the top of your bricks. The other thing you see about it is that every upright strut on your greenhouse, at the bottom of it then, it has a special bracket, and that attaches it very securely to the top of this base. So the bottom of your base has a lip and the top has a lip with a profile on it. So every upright on your greenhouse will attach to that profile with a proper nut and bolt and a wee bracket there. So that makes it very strong, because your alternative will be you'll be screwing this top lip through down into your brickwork, and that's only aluminium, that could rip through. I say that's a better way of doing it. So those are the advantages of getting the official base. I'll leave it for you, and yep, you're welcome to come down and see this one if you wish. Or there it is already. Okay, cheers, bye.